Day 3, we're closing it down. I'm so excited because we're celebrating. We've had the hard conversations, we've had the easy conversations.
We are not rubber bands. We don't stretch and let go and come back to the same size. We stretch and stretch and stretch and we keep stretching and we never come back to the same size. We keep growing.
Now we get to reflect and we get to celebrate our new accomplishments, that we're not the same and we're going back home as new and improved young women.
Ngifundisa abangani bami ukuthi singazenza into ebhedayo, futhi impilo ayikho ngayo wedwa, kumele nibambisane nabanye abantu, nokuthi in a team there's no I, you always win.
I learned how to stick with girls, support other children. It's not about always winning, it's always about learning and not to shout to other girls like if they do something wrong, to stick together and have girl power and always be brave.